Have you ever wondered how glass is made? We use it to create everything from windows to drinking glasses. Glass is somewhat magical. It's strong enough to protect us in certain situations, yet it shatters with incredible ease. Despite being made from opaque sand, it becomes completely transparent. Glass can be found everywhere. The windows in your home, office, vehicle, or local store are made of glass. Our dishes and glasses are made of glass. We use glass to make vases, ornaments, and jewelry. Glass is what makes the mirror that you look into to wash your face in the morning, or in the light bulb that lights your room at night. It's everywhere around us, and is one of the oldest and most adaptable materials created by humans. Interestingly enough, glass is made from ordinary sand, which has been heated until it melts and turns into a liquid. This doesn't happen on a normal sunny day at the beach, though, as it only melts at 1700 degrees Celsius, or 3090 degrees Fahrenheit. When molten sand cools, it goes through a complete transformation and acquires a completely new inner structure. However, no matter how much you cool the sand, it never completely solidifies. Instead, it turns into a sort of frozen liquid, or what materials scientists call an amorphous solid. It is a sort of hybrid between a solid and a liquid, with the crystalline order of a solid, yet the molecular randomness of liquid. Because of its numerous uses, glass is a popular material for use in our homes. In addition to being transparent, it is inexpensive to produce, simple to shape when molten, moderately heat-resistant when set, chemically inert, and recyclable. The process that is used to make glass varies slightly depending on the kind of glass that is being made. Typically, additional chemicals are added to alter the finished glass's appearance and/or properties. For instance, iron and chromium-based synthetics are added to the molten sand to make green-colored glass. Oven-proof borosilicate glass, such as Pyrex, is made by adding boron oxide to the molten blend. Adding lead oxide makes a fine crystal glass which can be cut more easily, and highly valued cut lead crystal shimmers with color as it refracts, or bends, the light going through it. Different manufacturing methods are used to produce other special types of glass. For instance, a laminate of multiple layers of glass and plastic that has been bonded together is what is used to make bulletproof glass. Toughened glass is produced by rapidly cooling molten glass to a much harder state, such as used in automobile windshields. And stained glass is made by adding metallic compounds to molten glass while it is still hot. Different metals give the glass's individual pieces their unique colors. Is glass a liquid or a solid? An intriguing question, to be sure. The answer? Well, that's a bit more complex. There is a wide range of opinion regarding how to refer to materials like glass, which appear to be both liquids and solids in some aspects. In our textbooks in school, we are usually taught that solids all have a fixed structure of atoms. However, there are various types of solids that have totally different structures, and not all that we describe as solid performs in the exact same way. Consider iron and rubber. Despite the fact that they are both solids, iron and rubber are very different, and behave in very different ways. The atoms and molecules that make up iron and rubber are arranged in completely different ways on the inside of each material. Iron has a standard or crystalline structure, while rubber is a polymer, produced from long chains of molecules loosely connected. Finally, consider water. Water is a nearly unique solid because it initially expands when it freezes. To put it plainly, not everything fits neatly into our concepts of solid, liquid, and gas, nor do all solids, liquids, and gases behave in a manner that is neat or easy to understand. The differences that stand out in science are the things that make science so interesting. Now let's go back to the glass. If you look through a microscope inside some glass, you'll see that the molecules that make it up are arranged in an irregular pattern. This is the reason that glass is sometimes called an amorphous solid, which is a solid without the regular crystalline structure that, say, a metal would have. Glass is also sometimes described as a frozen, supercooled liquid. This is a different way to say that glass is a liquid that has never set, which is a strange statement found in some science books. Glass is, however, in no way the only amorphous solid. Amorphous ice, a type of water that falls somewhere in the middle of liquid and solid, can be produced by cooling water very quickly. The ice in this instance forms so fast that there is no time for it to build up its typical crystalline structure. Therefore, what you get looks like ice, but behaves like liquid in many ways. We use glass throughout our day. When the sun wakes you in the morning, it's shining in through your glass window. When you brush your teeth, it is the mirror that you see yourself in. You may wear glasses, so you'll use it to help you see clearly throughout your day. Glasses and plates, as well as the cookware and bakeware that you use, can also be made of glass. Glass is in your phones, in your computers, and on your rooftops. You watch your favorite shows through glass on your TV screen. Your glass windshield protects you as you drive. You may even use it to decorate your home or office. The list goes on and on. There are so many things that we use glass in that we couldn't even begin to list them all for you in this short video. Go on your own exploration. You'll be surprised at how much we depend on glass each and every day. It's one of those amazing resources that we tend to take for granted, but makes our lives so much easier. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this look into how glass is made. If you did, please like and share. And if you would like to learn more about how things are done, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when we add new videos.